Okay, all right, let's go for the Green's theorem in the plane. This is a theorem which helps us to evaluate a line integral in the plane with the help of a double integral. So we have already defined, suppose f be a two-dimensional vector field, f is f is equal to mi plus nj, then we know the divergence as del dot f is equal to dou m by dou x plus dou n by dou y, and the k component of the KL, or when you take the dot product with the KL and k, dot product of KL with the k is dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, or it is called the k component of the KL vector we defined in the last lecture. Now let me define the Green's theorem. As I said earlier, this has two forms. So let me go for the normal form first. Normal, or it is also called flex divergence form, the normal form or flex divergence form of Green's theorem. So let's see what is that. Okay, suppose f be a vector field, say f is equal to mi plus nj, be a vector field defined in a region containing a simply closed curve C, and the region bounded by C is R. So suppose f is a two-dimensional vector field defined over a region containing a simply closed curve C, and the region bounded by C is the R, then the flex of f over C, the flex is equal to, we know that is integral over C f dot n ds, that is equal to integral over C m dy minus n dx, and Green's theorem suggests that this is equal to double integral over R dou m by dou x plus dou n by dou y dA. This is nothing but the divergence of the field f. So Green's theorem, the flex divergence or normal form, suggests that the flux of a vector field is equal to the double integral of the divergence over the region bounded by the closed curve C. So this is the normal form of the Green's theorem. So now let's see what's the tangential form. The tangential or circulation KL form of the Green's theorem. Again, f is a two-dimensional vector field defined over a region containing a simply closed curve C, and the region bounded by C is R. Then the circulation of f over C, then the circulation, counterclockwise circulation of f over C, we know circulation is equal to integral over C f dot t ds, and we know this is equal to integral over C m dx plus n dy, and Green's theorem says that this is equal to double integral over R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dA. So the circulation is equal to the double integral of the k component of the KL. So that is the tangential form of Green's theorem. Integral over C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, and integral over C m dy minus n dx equal to double integral over R dou m by dou x plus dou n by dou y dA. I can make use of Green's theorem to evaluate an integral of this form or this form by means of a double integral, or sometimes I have to verify both the this one and this one are same for a vector field over a curve C. So let us do an example. Verify Green's theorem. For the field f is equal to x minus y plus xj, the region R is bounded by the unit circle C. It's given as R of t is equal to cos t I plus sin t j 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 2 pi. So I have to verify Green's theorem for the field f is equal to x minus yi plus xj along the curve C, which is a unit circle in the two-dimensional plane, parameterized by cos t I plus sin dj 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 2 pi. So first let's go for the normal form. So comparing with the standard form of a two-dimensional vector field in my problem, have m is equal to x minus y and I have n is equal to x. So on along C my x is cos t and y is sin t. So I have along C or on C I have m is equal to cos t minus sin t, n is equal to cos t because I have x is equal to cos t and y is equal to sin t. Therefore, I have dx is equal to minus sin t dt and dy is equal to cos t dt. So I am going for the normal form. So I have m dy minus n dx. I have to compute this. This is equal to what is that? Cos t minus sin t into dy is cos t dt minus n is cos t, dx is minus sin t dt. So this is equal to cos square t minus cos t sin t dt plus cos t sin t dt. So that two terms will cancel over. So this is cos square t dt and therefore integral over C m dy minus n dx is equal to, we know how to evaluate an integral of this form, integral 0 to 2 pi cos square t dt. This is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi 1 plus cos 2t over 2 dt, that is equal to t by 2 plus the integral of cos 2 over t is sin 2t over 4 from 0 to 2 pi. This is when t is 2 pi, this is pi and this is 0. When t is 0, both the terms are 0. So what I am getting the answer as pi. So when I evaluate the line integral, what I am getting is integral m dy minus n dx is equal to pi. Now let me go for the other part of the Green's theorem, that is double integral over r dou m by dou x plus dou n by dou y dA, and let's see that is also same as of pi. So I have dou m by dou x is equal to, so this is my m So dou m by dou x is 1. Similarly, have dou n by dou y is, n is independent of y, so dou n by dou y is 0. So, and my region R is the unit circle. So, what I have is double integral over R dou m by dou x plus dou n by dou y dA is equal to double integral over R 1 dA. And from the double integral theory, we know this is nothing but the area of the region R. And actually R is the region bounded by the unit circle. We know the area of the unit circle as pi. So this is nothing but pi. Here my integration is actually very easy. Or you can go for polar integrals. This is the area of the region R, and R is the region bounded by the unit circle. So its area is pi. So I am getting integral over Cm dy minus n dx as pi, as well as double integral over R dou m by dou x plus dou n by dou y dA is equal to pi. So I have verified my normal form of Green's theorem for this problem. Okay. So let us do the other part also. Let us try to verify the normal form also. Let me do it here. Okay, all right. So I have to go for this one as this one. Again, I could, my m is x minus y, n is equal to x. So along C, m is equal to cos t minus sin t, and n is equal to cos t. So therefore m dx plus n dy is equal to, yeah, it is I have a dx is equal to minus sin t. So m dx is minus cos t sin t plus sin square t, and my dy is cos t, so plus cos square t dt. So this is actually, yeah, that will remain as that. So you have integral over C m dx plus n dy is equal to integral 0 to pi, that is 1 minus cos t sin t dt. This is equal to t minus, it is, yeah, cos 2t by 4 from 0 to 2 pi is cos is equal to 2 pi. When cos 2 t is 2 pi, this is cos 4 pi, and so it's 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, that will go away. So this 2 pi. So let's verify the other part also. And I have what is dou m by dou y is minus 1, dou n by dou x is 1. So dou m by dou x minus, sorry, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equal to 2. Therefore, double integral over r, k component of the KL, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dA is equal to double integral over r 2 dA. That's again 2 times area of the region R, it is pi, so it is 2 pi. So again I have integral over C m dx plus n dy is 2 pi. On the other hand, double integral over r dou n minus dou x minus dou m by dou y dA is also 2 pi. So this is also true. So I have verified Green's theorem, both the forms for this particular problem. So we can do further problems, or we may use Green's theorem to evaluate problems of this form or to find, this is nothing but the circulation, and previously what we have computed is actually flux of a vector field. So we can either you can verify, sometimes you may have to verify the Green's theorem as true, or sometimes you can make use of the double integral part of the Green's theorem to evaluate integrals of this form or integral m dy minus n dx.